Hey YouTube, how's it going? Ooh, turn this heater on me. That's so much better. Today is another vault workout and I am so excited for it. I'm not even kidding. I have high hopes for this workout. It is called RHEA. What is RHEA? I think it's the mother of nature god, I think. I've been racking my brain all weekend on how this workout connects to RHEA. I don't know. The only thing I can figure is Street Parking, when they posted it, they put on like a little lion symbol. That must be the symbol for RHEA. And this workout is a sprint. So I'm kind of assuming that because lions are hunters and fast, that they chose a sprint workout for them. I have to assume that if they ever have Hermes in here, that workout is gonna go by super quick. But today is RHEA, and it is two movements that honestly aren't like, they're nothing special, they're not my favorite, but I really think I can do this one fast. It is 40 double unders, which I will sub for 80 single unders. I'm fine doing that. They always put in the option for dumbbell hopovers, but I much prefer to just double the double unders and do single unders. So I've got 80 of those and then 12 squat cleans. And I'm gonna use my Rep Fitness sandbag for those squat cleans because I feel a little bit more comfortable doing squat cleans, especially in sets of 12 with this. And it's 5 rounds. That's it. No rest, no breaks. Pump out 5 rounds as fast as you can. And I feel confident about this workout. I've had a couple duds back to back. Iris was inside. It was a shift workout. It wasn't, I just didn't like it. I wasn't pumped about the workout. It's gonna happen. Morpheus, that workout was just super, super tough. Yeah, that was a tough workout. And I was not able to hit the minimum goal, but that's okay. That sets me up for in 6 months. Now that's my new goal personally, is to hit the minimum goal. Today's workout, I don't know exactly what the time is as far as goal is concerned, but I'm hoping I'm not overestimating this, or myself, in overestimating my abilities. I think I can do this one quickly. So, gonna do things a little bit different. I'm actually just gonna pop in some headphones and I am going to attempt to just showcase this entire workout in one cut. Saves me time. You guys get to see the whole workout, kind of like a workout with me type vibe. I think I wanna post some videos like that, just workouts, the full thing, workout with me type deals. Not sure how I'll do that yet, but I wanted to try it out today. Also, I apologize. I've been withholding some of these vault workouts from you because in my head I was thinking, these aren't my workouts. I don't want to give them all away. People should really be Street Parking members to get all of the workouts. And then I realized Street Parking posts these workouts to their YouTube channel every single week for the public, for everyone to see. So I apologize that I withheld a few of these workouts. I'm not gonna do that anymore because, like I said, Street Parking puts it on their YouTube channel, which I will link down below if you guys are interested in seeing what the vault workouts are and following along. Yeah, that's all I got. 80 single unders, 12 squat cleans with a sandbag, 4 time. I'm excited, let's go. Last round. This is it. RHEA is complete, and it went about as well as I expected it to. 9 minutes, 29 seconds, full workout. I'm super proud of that score. I checked when I finished up. The score goal time for that workout was between 9 and 15 minutes. So I got 9 minutes, 29 seconds. And really, I don't know if single unders are necessarily a scale because I'm still doubling the amount of reps and it probably is taking me about the same amount of time. I'm obviously scaling the skills portion of that movement, but I don't think I'm really scaling the actual physical exertion. So in my book, I hit that goal time and I crushed that workout. There are still seconds I can shave. For some reason, I think I was in my head trying to rush a little bit too much. Those single unders were really sloppy. Sloppier than what I'm typically used to. So I know next time I can clean those up, clean up some of the rest that I did. I'll still probably need to rest next time, but hopefully just shorter time frames. So for a goal in 6 months, because I'm trying to set goals for myself every single vault workout because I will do all 50 of them, I'd like to do it under 9 minutes. Shave off 29, shave off an even 30 seconds from my score to be under 9 minutes. With this fast of a workout, I feel like that's a good, solid goal for next time. And I'll be excited in 6 months when this comes back up. It'll be September, the first week of September when this workout falls in line again, so it should be nice and warm. Door will probably be open. This door right here, ooh, we are so close to having this door open. I'm telling you what. Let me show you outside real quick. Can you see all that? The snow is melting. It is just now all ice out there. But this door, it might be 50 this weekend. This door might be open. Oh, I can't wait. I hope it happens. I hope I can pop this door open this weekend and it stays open. It's March. It's about springtime. Let's go. What a good day. Good workout. Had fun with RHEA. If you did RHEA,
post your scores below so I know how you did. I want to keep track of all my subscribers that are on street parking. I know there's a lot of you guys, so be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you aren't a street parker, but you still like the video, hit that like button for me so I know to keep going. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that down below too. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, we are all in progress.